Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your express.com order. Okay, so basically if you have placed your order, you want to cancel your order if you want to change your mind due to any reason. So how you can cancel your order? Basically there is a policy to cancel your order. The first thing you need to keep in your mind, that is you can cancel your order within you can like few hours only. Like after few hours you are not able to cancel your order because the order will go in the you can like processing and you can like delivering and processing section. Okay, so first thing what you have to do, you need to visit on this page. I want to show you something, and over on this page there is a phone number, and this is the official website, and you need to visit on the official website this page. I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can go over there and you can find their phone number related to order related queries, and you need to connect with their customer support team. And once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your order, you want to modify your order, what is your query. You can put in front of their customer support team, and then they will guide you each and everything. Your order is eligible for cancellation or not, and what is the procedure, what you can do if your order is not you can like eligible for cancellation. So they will guide you each and everything. Okay, so this is the only best and the easy method to cancel your order. Okay, so if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.